I would like to request to all the audience to acknowledge the arrival of the Chairman, Punjab Group of Colleges, Mia Amir Mahmood. Give him a big applause. It's Mia Amir Mahmood, Chairman, Punjab Group of Colleges. Now I would like to request the position holders to come and collect prizes on the behalf of their fellow position holders. Please join us on stage. Mr. Muhammad Hamza Dogar, Zainab Fareed Khan, Muzammil Zahid and Nimraz Zaid. I would request Justice Retired Munir Ahmed Mughal to please come on stage again and give the prizes to the toppers by his own hands. Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you so very much. Coming towards the big guys, I'm going to call the names of the cash prize winner from LLB Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 for midterm and send-up examinations. All of you are requested to join me on stage as I call your names. From LLB Part 1, Rabia Imtiaz, Azimullah, Farzana Anwar, Waqar Ali, Khurshid Sadaf, Sayyid Yasir Ali. Now from LLB Part 2, I would like to call Farwa Abbas, Tanzila Mushtaq, Amina Naeem, Khadija Khalid, Ahsanul Haq, Nabil Zahoor, Abbas Jamil and Anam Akram to join me on stage, please. And the achievers from LLB Part 3, the senior most, Faiza Shahzad, Aisha Shahid, Ansa Arshad, Sajad Ali, Aisha Dar, Husnara Asad. Please come on stage and join me, please. And to do the honors, I would request Justice Retired Khalilur Rahman Khan, the person who served at the bar for 25 years in constitutional, civil and commercial matters. He was appointed as Chairman Religious Board in 1987. He remained a member Board of Governors of Federal Judicial Academy, Islamabad. He is author of a very important book, Commentary on Qanun-e-Shahadat. He joined as Federal Shariat Court's judge in 1994 and worked as such till 1996. A big round of applause for Justice Retired Khalilur Rahman Khan. Now I would request the top position holders to come forward and collect prizes on behalf of their teams. Rabia Imtiaz from Part 1. Rabia Imtiaz from Part 1. Farwa Abbas and Tanzila Mushtaq from Part 2. They're sharing the prizes. Give a big round of applause to these achievers. Now from the senior most class of the college, Part 3. It's Faiza Shahzad and Aisha Shahid from LLB Part 3. Now I would request sir to please share a few words with us regarding the personality of the evening.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. Distinguished guests, Mia Amir Mahmood Sahib, Begum Nasra Iqbal, Munir Mughal, Justice Munir Mughal, my brother Mr. Amjad, alumni, dear students, it's a great privilege to be amongst you this evening. The dinner speeches used to be very light, and Speaker is expected to say something to bring smiles on your faces, I'll do that. But the evening dedicated to Justice Kakaus calls for a very serious consideration. On the lighter side, one person came to his elder and said, "My wife is returning for the last 1 month. Please do something." He said, فَبَيِّ عَلَىٰ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So, maybe for some that is an occasion to rejoice, and some may not be. Now, talking about Justice Badiuzzzaman Kakaus, before whom I had a few occasions as a very junior lawyer to appear, and those memories are still in my mind fresh. Some of his, when he was born, when he joined the bar and when he joined the judiciary, that have been already expressed. But what sort of a judge he was? I will quote here the words of Mr. Justice A.R. Cornelius. He, on his eve of retirement, spoke like this: "From the very opening of an argument, it was plain that a vigorous attempt by him to grasp the essentials of the case, to clear out irrelevant matters, to guide the argument into correct channels of the law was in evidence. No doubt whatsoever could be felt was that he was determined to master the case, irrespective of the outlook of any other judge on the bench, so as to enable himself to perform his duty, that is, to express his own personally formed independent view on every question calling for decision." During his days in the High Court, he delivered numerous judgments that whenever an enactment empowers a public servant to pass orders that benefit or harm a citizen, the citizen gets the right, legally enforceable, that an order be passed in accordance with law. In the case of Ghulam Bheek versus Hussain Begum, he expounded with great brilliance Muslim law of Li'an. Australian judges were here, and we took them to the Judicial Academy, where a course was, training course for judges was going on. So they said, "Who are these? Are these the students?" He said, "We don't know. They are the judges." He said, "Are these the judges? What is the method?" I said, 2 years practice and law degree. And you assume that they will be able to exercise the jurisdiction. I said, "What do you do?" They said, "In Australia, 7 years actual practice besides other qualification is the requirement." Now I feel that that should be the criteria for our recruitment also, because we are not paying them the pay of 17th grade which other civil servants are getting. We are paying them almost 80,000 rupees, and I think that the minimum should be 7 years besides other, and from the Public Service Commission, where they have to take 7 papers along with the psychological test, and that should be immediately instituted. And we should stop these arguments that we can't, our huge log of pending cases cannot wait for further decision. No, disposal and throwing away of cases doesn't mean anything. that is causing more trouble, more pain, more social problems instead of solving them. Now, I have taken too much of your time. I congratulate Madam Hadia for the results that she is achieving, and I am thankful to Madam Hadia as well as Mian Sahab, as they are accepting my request to admit students who have degree Shahadatul Almiya, that is the Dars-e-Nizam course degree, and who have done BA as well. So I wanted to weight both the systems so that they could, and you will find that one of those students are one of us achievers. That is how. They are very good people, very studious. The only thing is they need to be guided, they need to be accepted into the system. And once we do that, we'll have better lawyers, we'll have better, and instead of they going for occupation of mosques and creating trouble, they will be the best people in the service of judiciary, in the service of Islamic financial system, and in other fields. Thank you very much for your kind patience.